Korean refrigerator, Italian wine, travel, friends in other countries and business with foreign partners, books and textbooks. Today we live in a global world that speaks to us in hundreds of different languages. And how amazing is it that now it's not a problem at all? With the Scan and Translate application, you can quickly translate labels, signs, business cards, book fragments, contracts, and any other documents or textual information. Just snap a picture of the text, select its language, and highlight the part of it that you wish to have translated. Get your text instantly scanned, recognized, and translated. You can edit, listen, save and share the translation in messengers and social networks. Use Scan and Translate as your great learning assistant. It has 40 million downloads and it is the #1 Scan and Translate app. Download it right now and discover the world for yourself.